What's up guys? Google sent me one of their new Pixel 5 mobile phones for free. So let's open it up and check it out. So noticing on the front of the box here, it says help has arrived. And I believe the theme of this phone is that this phone is going to be a great personal assistant. And it has a lot of apps in it to help you with things in your daily life. Got it in the mail and I wasn't really sure what this was, but I was pretty sure this was the phone. So I basically just opened it up and did this and realized, yes, it is. And that's as far as I've gotten. So on the inside, what you see is this. It says the Google Hyperspeed Helper. And again, it's giving you that theme of helping you. Besides sending me what you'd normally get when you purchase the phone, they also sent me some Pixel Buds and a case. So Google, thank you very much for sending me this. We have the phone here, Pixel 5G. We've got Pixel Buds here and the case. Cool. All right, let's take out the phone first. And check it out. The Pixel 5G. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. So we have the phone here, and this is nice, and it looks like it's in kind of a sage-looking green. And then it looks like we've got a quick start guide and maybe some other information. And on the back here, you have your SIM card removal tool. So we want to make sure that we don't lose that. All right, this is an 18-watt wired fast charger. And right here you have a USB-C port. And then here you have a USB-C to C cable. And how do we get this thing out? Ah, there we go. And this is a transfer tool that is USB-A to USB-C. All right, now let's take a look at the phone here. So let's take off this plastic. And that looks nice. Let's power it up. There we go. All right, so right here is your front camera, and that's an 8-megapixel camera. While we're waiting for it to load up, I want to note that it has a 6-inch AMOLED display. It is 1080p at 90 Hertz. And it has Gorilla Glass 6. This phone has a Snapdragon 765 processor. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It's made with 100% recyclable aluminum. And right here you have a finger printer. Here's the camera setup. And you have a 12.2 megapixel main camera and a 16 megapixel wide-angle lens. Right here you have a USB-C port, and these are 2 holes for speakers. You have a hole up here for a speaker. Over here you have the power button, and then here you have a volume rocker. And on this side is your slot for your SIM card. All right, let's next check out the Pixel 5 case. So here's the case. It's got a kind of fabric feel to it, and the case uses 70% recycled material. Here's the button for the power, and here's the cutout for the camera, and the cutout for your finger printer. The bottom is cut out here, and then you have a hole here for your speaker. The interiors are nice suede material. If you look for the volume rocker, it's just like a raised piece right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It might be hard to see, but they're not actually buttons. So let's go ahead and put this on. All right, the screen protector is on, and it is raised for protecting your screen. And I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but I think you can see it a little bit right there. But overall, it's a nice case. All right, Google was also kind enough to send me some Pixel Buds, so let's check those out. And it looks like here what we have is the charging case, and most likely the buds are inside. So here we go, here's the case. And as you can see here, the phone actually has identified them, and it says to pair them tap to pair. Earbuds will be tied. So let's go ahead, and we went ahead and they are already pairing. So that's cool that the phone automatically recognized the earbuds and are pairing them. Connected. Tap to finish. And we got them. And you store them in here. And I believe these are held into the case by magnets. And those look like 3 little magnets there, and which they attach to the little magnets in here. Like this. There's a light here and light here. Each earbud is charged to 100%, and looks like the case is charged to 95%. So that's very nice. So let's see what else is in the case here. What we have here are spare rubber tips, so that's nice. And we have a USB cord, and this looks like USB-A to USB-C. Another cool thing about the Pixel 5 is that you have this battery share. And what you can do with that is you can share your battery to charge things like your Pixel Buds. And now you can see this little light right here, so that means it's charging them. Isn't that cool? Okay, let's talk about some of the cool features with this phone. One way to get to your camera quickly is push the power button twice fast. And right now, we are on the rear camera, right? You're seeing like the countertop here. And if you want to quickly change to your front camera, all you have to do is twist it quickly twice, like this. So you see now you're looking through the front camera, and there I am there. And so if we want to change it back, we just twist it twice quickly again. And see, now we're back looking at the countertop. Isn't that awesome? Alright guys, one of my favorite things about this phone is you can use it for astrophotography. You just put it on the night sight setting. You can see that here. And then you aim it up at the stars, and I'm in the city, so it's not going to be as good as being outside the city light. And I recommend that you put your camera on a tripod or something because it has a long exposure time. Anyways, you hit the button, and you see it's telling you to keep it still, and this has got like about a minute exposure. And then we'll come back when it's done and show you what the photo looks like. Alright guys, as you can see, it's almost done. Alright, it is done. And now let's go look at the picture. And here's the picture, and magnify it, maybe you can see the stars there. So this is a cool feature. Here are a few more things I want to tell you about the phone. It is 5G capable if you have 5G in your area. It's certified IP68 for dust and water resistance. And you can shoot video in 4K. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of this phone. Be sure to subscribe so you can see more videos of the features of this phone. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications bell. Be happy. Peace out.